3M just delivered a quarter two beat, raised their full-year guidance, and revealed a massive AI data center partnership with Microsoft. The stock jumped up past 172. We ran the one-year data through our FSR to see how predictable this price movement really is. 3M reported adjusted EPS of $2.40 against the $2.25 estimate on $6.5 billion in revenue. Management raised full-year EPS guidance up to $8.95, but the real narrative shift is AI infrastructure. Microsoft qualified 3M's expanded beam optics technology for Azure data centers, transitioning 3M from a legacy industrial play into a high-growth AI supplier. Free cash flow conversion hit 107%, and Mizuho immediately raised the price target to 180. 3M scores an FSR score of 90.25%, despite sweeping from 139 up toward 173 over the past year. The price structure has stayed well behaved relative to its 156 period average. When we look at the 10-day rolling window below, the average FSR sits high at 96%. Look at window 57 and window 134. Those sharp dips down to 90% show the exact moment rapid price sell-offs hit the chart before quickly stabilizing back up into the high 90s. While tech and AI stocks have seen some crazy volatility this month, 3M is demonstrating how a legacy industrial giant can capture AI upside without wrecking its structural chart health. Strong fundamentals, expanding margins, and low relative tail risk. All this data can be run at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.